It will be a rumble in the jungle come Saturday when the two heavyweights of local female football, Fraziers Whip and Arnett Gardens, clash in the final of the Jamaica Women's Premier League at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. Jermaine Brown reports.
In what will be a repeat of the 2024 decider, champions Fraziers Whip and Arnett Gardens will once again do battle in the final of the Jamaica Women's Premier League at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex on Saturday. Champions Fraziers Whip had demolished Arnett Gardens 9-0 in that final. Arnett, who are still smarting from that massive defeat, will be gunning to hand the three-time defending champions only their second defeat in 3 seasons. Interestingly, it was Arnett who last defeated Fraziers Whip 1-0 in the opening game of the 2023-2024 campaign. En route to the final, Fraziers Whip defeated Real Mona 6-1 on aggregate after 5-0 and 1-all scorelines in their two-way semi-finals. Arnett Gardens got by Los Perfectos 8-3 on aggregate with scores of 3-2 and 5-1 in their semi-final matchup. Heading into the final, both teams have identical win-loss statistics. They both won 11 games and drew 1 from their 12 outings this season. The difference between them lies in goals scored and conceded. Fraziers Whip scored 68 goals and conceded 6, while Arnett netted 46 times, with 7 being scored against them. Christina Salmon is Fraziers and the league's leading striker with 24 goals and is supported by Chanel Spence with 18 and captain Neville Gale Abel, who has 13 goals. For Arnett, Shakira Douglas has 21 goals, while captain Tawanashe Hamilton has 7. And there is also little difference in the thinking of the coaches, as Fraziers Whip's Courtney Dowdy and Arnett Gardens' Garnet Lawrence were both part of Arnett Gardens' senior men's team coaching staff in the 2024-2025 season. Fraziers Whip will be hunting their 4th straight title, while Arnett are aiming for their 1st. The match is scheduled to kick off at 5:30 p.m.